Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about how to create an account in GitHub and creating new remote repository in GitHub account. So first open your Chrome browser, type github.com. So you will get this interface. In this interface, top right corner you will get a sign up option. So before that there is a sign in option. If you already have a GitHub account which is already created, then go with the sign in option. If you don't have an account, if you don't have a GitHub account, then go with the sign up option. Click on that, it will be navigated to the next page that it will ask enter your email ID. Okay, enter your email ID. Click on continue. Next it will ask create a password. You have to create a password. Now this button will be turned to green color. Click on continue and it is asking username. See here, you can able to see this. This username is available. If it is not available, you have to change a username. So now it is available, so we'll go with the continue option. Next, it is asking you to verify your account. You have to verify your account. Click on verify. After verifying successfully, now you will get a verification code in your email ID. After verifying your email ID, so this interface you can able to view. This interface will be seen only after creating your GitHub account successfully. So enter your email ID or username. Something. Next, password. So after entering your email ID or username, after entering your password, choose the sign in option. After signing, you will get this interface. When you get this interface, it is asking you to enter some few details about yourself. How do you describe yourself? If you're a student, if you're a teacher, if you're a working developer or other, you have to choose one of this option. Then how many teams members will be working with you, so you have to choose based on your uh, working team. If you're only one person, then choose one, just me. Then if it is if you have any team members, um, range between 2 to 5 or 5 to 10 or 10 to 20, 20 to 50 or 50 plus team members, then choose other options and click on continue. So I will skip personalization. Now the actual interface you will get. This is a dashboard of GitHub account. So when you create an account, when you sign in, this is what the interface you will get. Okay. So now you have to create a new repository. How to create a new repository? There is a one icon, plus icon, right? So click on that plus icon. Here you will get a multiple options. In that it is asking you to create a new repository. Okay, if you already have a repository, you can import from your local system. If you don't have, or you just click on new repository. Now you will get this interface. Here it is asking you to create a new repository. Okay, so now owner is your username, repository name. You can give a project title. Okay, So I can give anything. Just give project itself. Then description about your project. Okay. So whatever the repository name you have created, that description you can give. Okay. It may be any project name. Okay. If I give a project, if it is title of creating a e-commerce website, I can give this repository name as an e-commerce website, and then you can give the description about a e-commerce website. So this is my new project. Just give description, my new project. Next, it is asking you to choose public or private. When you choose public, anyone can see this repository. Means this repository can be accessed by anyone. If you choose private, so if you choose private, only you can able to see the repository. Okay, and you can only commit the changes. So now I will choose public, then initialize the repository with. You have to initialize a repository with some file. Okay, by default it is asking you to add a readme file. Then I will choose this option. Then click on create repository. So when you click on this create repository, the new repository will be created with the readme file. Okay, this is the interface you will get after creating a repository. Go back to this option. Here, this is how you can able to view your repository name and the description. And if you start writing the code, if you are cloning the code, if you are committing the code, those code programming language that you have used, that programming language name can be viewed here. Okay, so if you want to create a multiple repository, you can choose again the icon. You will get new repository. Click on that. Then again you give a repository name, that is your project title. Just give web project. Just give web project. So add readme file. Click on create repository. You can create a multiple repository that you want. Now how to delete this repository? Okay, so how to delete this repository? Go to settings, scroll up. Here there is an option delete this repository. So once you delete this repository, there is no going back. Okay, click on that delete this repository. Okay, choose I want to delete this repository. Now it is asking that this repository will be deleted permanently. Okay, you can't backup or you can't again you can't able to use this repository because it is deleted. So I have read and understand this effects. So type this repository entire name. So when you type this, it will be enabled. This delete this repository will be enabled. So click on this delete this repository. Now successfully that created repository is deleted. Only one repository is visible in your GitHub dashboard. So thank you for watching.